gorgeous, quiet morning. The campground was empty last night just for the deer wandering around. I'm gonna just take the 20K ride into Clinton to go have some breakfast. 10,000 years ago, near the end of the Ice Age, a river cut through the layers of lava that built the Fraser Plateau. After the waters subsided, all that was left was this chasm, 8 kilometers long and 300 meters deep. Freshly resurfaced and graded gravel road. Nothing like a squirrely ride and dusty conditions. Whole area was devastated by forest fires a few years ago in this valley and in the valley beyond, which is Loon Lake. Lots of people lost houses and cabins in the next valley over. It was only, some of the natural fire breaks that we already had with forestry roads helped prevent it to spread even farther, but it was a huge loss of timber and homes and property. So some of the stuff is barely even started to regrow yet. forestry wreck site by the Bonaparte River. However, with all the forest fires and the deadfall and trees that have been cut down, I'm gonna have to go for a walk to try to figure out where I'm gonna put my hammock. This could be difficult. We have such amazing wilderness spaces, but it's amazing how many people just don't give a crap when they leave their shit behind. Now, I've got to clean it up so I don't have a bear problem. Some people. There's a reason why I said to bring Nalgene gloves when you go bike packing. Good reason. Might not be pretty, but it works. So this is something that I didn't expect to see out in a river, up in the middle of nowhere. Clams. I'll have to investigate. This one's a little chillier than I thought. Don't know how much I'll actually be swimming. I don't want to lose my sandals. At some point, I'm sure I'm going to get flack for being shirtless for the majority of this trip, and including the little swimming interludes here and there. But hey, I'm not a svelte, speedy cyclist. I am who I am, and it just goes to prove that you don't need to be super fit to get out bike packing. You scale your adventures to your abilities, work within those, be safe, be smart, and have fun. I think this is it.